So I invite you now to close your eyes and breathe deeply in. And with each breath outward, let go of all those cares, those stresses, those worries that you may have brought with you when you came in this morning. We breathe in again, and as our lungs fill with life-giving oxygen, we begin to feel our body become more and more relaxed. We breathe in, we exhale, we breathe in again. And as we become more and more relaxed, our breath becomes more and more in tune with the music, with the natural rhythm of the room around us, and with the heartbeats of each other. With the flow of the universe, we come together. There's a poem that one of the poets at Unity Village wrote many years ago that begins, "Like water from the banks of God, the universe expands. To kiss the hem of consciousness and shifts the subtle sands." It's in moments like these when we stop, let go, and step off the wheel of the rat race, when we allow ourselves to relax, to breathe, to connect with each other, to connect with the great thought mind that connects all of us to the universe. It's in times like this that we begin to expand. As we breathe in, we breathe out. As we lift our awareness, our connection to each other and to the world and to the universe, our consciousness and the universe becomes one, flowing together, flowing like a great river. I invite you now to imagine that you were drifting carelessly down a gently flowing stream. You feel the warmth of the sun on you, the gentle swaying of the boat lulls you into a state of pure calm, pure bliss. And any of those cares, any of those worries, those burdens that are still anchoring us down, I invite you to simply drop them over the side, leaving them behind as the ship, the boat, moves endlessly forward on this peaceful flowing water. We really have no concern as to where this river may go as we move along the gentle twists and curves. We know that wherever the river carries us, we know that its source is good. Its source is God. Its source is all there is. The spiritual journey that we have chosen to voyage on is like this ever-flowing stream. It meanders through twists and turns of life, moves over swift rapids, sometimes over still pools where it feels like we're blocked. But it's ever moving toward its source. It's not separate from the source, this water, part of it, but it's ever moving forward to a greater, deeper union with it, and so are we. As we say in our opening that we are individualized expressions of God, whatever the definition of your God may be. We are a part of it, and it's a part of us. We are ever one with the universe. We are ever floating on a mighty current of universal good. I invite you to bring your awareness back to the room. Back to the awareness that your life is part of this flow, the ebb and flow of spirit. And we say, thank you, God, for these moments. Thank you, God. Amen.